Data collected during the interview. Medical history. The patient has type 2 diabetes mellitus for 5 years now and is currently taking metformin 500 mg twice a day, one in the morning and one in the evening. The patient experiences frequent thirsty and urination, extreme hunger, feeling easily tired. The patient has a history of delayed wound healing, and the patient confirmed that the family has a history of diabetes and that his father had heart disease. Patient blood pressure reading is first reading 125/78 millimeters of mercury. Second reading is 128/80 millimeters of mercury. Blood pressure is within normal range. Dental history. The patient barely brushes his teeth and does not floss his teeth due to tooth mobility and gum bleeding, particularly near the posterior teeth and lower anterior teeth. The patient has a sensitivity to hot, cold, and sweet foods. The patient has generalized gingival inflammation with bleeding when conducting probing. The patient was previously diagnosed with mild gingivitis and no prior diagnosis of periodontitis. Physical examination. Blood pressure taken is within normal range, which is 125/78 millimeters of mercury and 128/80 millimeters of mercury. The patient was noticed with loosening molars, especially at the back of the posterior and lower anterior teeth. The patient's gums are inflamed and bleed upon probing. The patient presents anxiety and fear of losing any of his teeth.